We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
We love baths, huh?
Whoa. This is Jack. Whoa.
Oh, no.
You can't persuade anyone with that belly, boy. Serious.
How much more of a circle can you be?
Morning. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, my love. Yeah. Oh, I know.
Having win your task with house sitting, but all you really care about is the food.
Really pop me some food? Jesus. Okay. Don't hurt yourself.
No. I guess hungry?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Peanut. What's out there? What is it? Yeah?
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off him. Thank you. Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off him. Thank you.
I love you. Oh, I love you too. Excuse me. Do you think that's safe behavior? Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
It's not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. Is that what you want?
Hello.
Dangerous animal on this planet.
Hey, yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Can you hold on?
Can you read this word?
You're not going outside. No. 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 Cats don't go outside. Not inside cats.
Hello. Can you look at me?
Hey.
Hey, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. What'd I say? No.
Hi. Are we hungry?
Who's there?
Well, that's indeed not much an interesting way to say hi.
What? Are you good? Okay. Can you give a squeak? Yeah. Thank you. Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh! Oh!
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you stuck?
Guys, Lunar can talk. Say no. Can you hold on?
Are you saying I might actually have something to offer this investigation?
Dun-dun. I have to shower. Can you please get out? Yes, thank you. Please. Show your way out. There you go. No, I have to shower. Yeah? Thank you. Okay.
You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
What, Sunday? No, I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Do you want to go eat? Do you want to go eat? You want a treat? You want to go eat? Come on. Let's go eat. Shu, is that dress nice? Would you like to wear that dress? You've got really good taste, my love. A bit expensive, though.
Você não é gato de gato, né? This waiter seems a bit inexperienced, stumbling a lot when communicating with customers.
Muito feio isso. Eu não sou gato de gato, fala.
Chicken, you're on a diet, bud. 'Cause you're too fat. I know.
Hi, Jill. What's she doing?
What you doing, gorgeous? Is that so? Well, you can't go outside.
With cats, the world outside is addictive. Don't let them taste it too much.
Well, that's too bad. You can't. Because, honey, I don't want to keep going over this every day, okay?
Shiloh! Hi. Yeah? I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Call me if you need anything. Okay. Love you. I love you too.